aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are other computerized monetary standards worth considering for individuals hoping to expand their portfolios and gain insight with new digital currencies. Jasmy coin is one of them. Jasmy's blockchain stage is planned to reestablish and shield individual information power. It consolidates customary IoT and blockchain innovation, permitting individuals to keep up with secure command over their information. Its blockchain is decentralized and expected to safeguard clients' information while giving them unlimited authority over its utilization. On the off chance that you are keen on the fate of JASMY and need to know its anticipated incentive for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030, what is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is the digital money undertaking of Jasmy Organization, a Tokyo-based Web of Things supplier. The Web of Things, as a framework, comprises of mechanical and computerized components that have an identifier and the capacity to send information. Jasmy, an IoT organization, works in information trading, and the Jasmy stage associates two gatherings, specialist co-ops and information clients. The Jasmy stage was made to re-establish and safeguard individual information sway by joining IoT and blockchain innovation and giving clients unlimited authority over their own data. The venture's essential objective is to establish a protected climate on the stage where clients can openly trade information between IoT gadgets and decentralized conventions. The mission of Jasmy designers is to shape a climate where clients can utilize information effectively, securely, and easily. Therefore, Jasmy plans to give its clients a strong foundation, a simple-to-utilize interface, and a safe climate for information capacity and sharing. Data can be changed over into individual resources in the Jasmy space. Jasmy utilizes edge processing to decentralize the work process and store information on IPFS. The venture's way of thinking depends on the democratization of information through a decentralized model, in which information is safely secured and possessed by a proprietor, and specialist co-ops have the chance to advance their administration's business through information. The Jasmy network guarantees a decentralized foundation in light of safety and trust for information the board. Thus, the Jasmy coin project endeavors to give the most elevated level of market well-being and security, and the dynamic utilization of IoT gadgets helps with the decrease of misrepresentation. Client information is kept in a safe individual information storeroom. The IPFS innovation utilized by the Jasmy network involves the Security Information Communicator and Savvy Safeguard. To enact SKC, clients should finish enlistment and personality check, after which they can follow exchanges and oversee information. With the help of the Shrewd Watchman administration, IoT gadgets are safely enrolled. Jasmy coin is a Japanese digital money that follows Japanese regulation and is dependent upon all monetary reviews. Jasmy coin is a lawful stage that should be formally enrolled. It gives the JASMY token a job like that of offers or protections. Jasmy might be responsible assuming financial backers' reserve funds are uncovered. For such infringement, Japanese regulation permits permit renouncement and obligation. Jasmy coin current market status. The greatest stock of the Jasmy coin is obscure, while its flowing inventory is 47,569,999,999 JASMY coins, as per CoinMarketCap. JASMY is exchanging at $0, addressing a 24-hour increment of 1.48% at the hour of composing. The exchanging volume of Jasmy coin the beyond 24 hours is $44,718,265, addressing a 4.98% lessening. Some top digital currency trades for exchanging Jasmy coin are Binance, Coinbase Trade, Hucoin, Huobi Worldwide, Bitham, and others. Since it is now so obvious what Jasmy coin is and its ongoing business sector status, we will talk about the value investigation of Jasmy coin for 2023. Jasmy coin value investigation 2023. As of now, Jasmy coin positions 145 on CoinMarketCap. Will improvements and updates inside the Jasmy coin people group lead to a rising cost of Jasmy coin? We will see this in this coin version cost examination 2023 video. Keltner channel is a specialized investigation marker used to decide pattern bearings by estimating the instability above or beneath the candles. The cost is in the lower half of the Keltner channel, showing that a greater number of individuals are selling JASMY than getting it. The ongoing decrease in the cost of JASMY could likewise go on before any normal inversion, considering that the last candle is bullish. The general strength file is a specialized examination marker that actions the overall energy and the greatness and speed of ongoing value changes of a resource for reason on the off chance that it is an oversold or overbought resource. The RSI worth of Jasmy coin one-day outline of JASMY USDT is 43.14. This shows that JASMY is simply under the solid pattern zone, as the need might arise to have a RSI esteem somewhere in the range of 50 and 70. The outline above shows the 1-day JASMY 200-day and 50-day moving normal diagram. JASMY is on a transient negative pattern in the diagram since the 50-day mama is over the candles. Besides, there was a brilliant cross, yet this didn't deliver a flood in that frame of mind true to form from a regular brilliant cross. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. Taking a gander at the 1-day JASMY USDT, JASMY is currently inside a bullish falling wedge. Despite the fact that we can't indicate without a doubt as per the 1-day graph, JASMY could break out of the bullish falling wedge and arrive at obstruction at $0. In the interim, our drawn-out JASMY cost expectation for 2023 is bullish since it can't break the current help level. We can anticipate that JASMY should reach $0 2023. Above is the 1-day specialized graph of JASMY USDT. JASMY has been fluctuating somewhere in the range of $0 the beyond 30 days. On the off chance that more bears gain strain and push the cost downwards, we could anticipate that JASMY should reach $0. JASMY could drift over the 1 cent obstruction level and, surprisingly, higher in 2023, a bullish sign. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. There will be Bitcoin dividing in 2024. Thus, we ought to expect a positive pattern in the market because of client opinions and the mission by financial backers to gather a greater amount of the coin. Since the Bitcoin pattern influences the course of exchange of other cryptographic forms of money, we could anticipate that JASMY should exchange at a cost not underneath 4 cents toward the finish of 2024. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. We ought to anticipate that JASMY should exchange over its 2024 value because of the chance of most cryptographic forms of money breaking more mental opposition levels because of Bitcoin dividing of the earlier year. Thus, JASMY could end 2025 by exchanging at around 7 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. Since the most extreme stock of JASMY has proactively been gathered, it is conceivable that the negative market that follows areas of strength for a run will little affect its past value because of the entry of additional institutional financial backers to its foundation. With this, the cost of JASMY could break the ordinary pattern and exchange at 9 cents toward the finish of 2026. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Financial backers anticipate a bullish run 1 year from now, 2028, because of Bitcoin splitting. Thus, the cost of JASMY could unite on the past editions and break more mental obstruction levels because of financial backers' positive opinion. Consequently, JASMY could exchange at 12 cents toward the finish of 2027. Jasmy coin value forecast 2028. Out of 2028, there will Bitcoin split. Subsequently, the combining market in 2027 could be trailed by a bullish run. This is because of the effect of information encompassing any extended period of Bitcoin dividing. It is, hence, conceivable that the market could achieve a higher high worth. Jasmy coin could hit 18 cents toward the finish of 2028. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029. By 2029. There could be a ton of dependability in the cost of most digital currencies that had remained for north of 10 years. This is expected to executing illustrations figured out